Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make a perfect drink with a budget home range equipment. My budget for this video was £130, so I decided to choose a KLARSTEIN Bella Vita Espresso machine, the DeLonghi KJ79 bar grinder. The KLARSTEIN Espresso machine comes with 20 bar pressure, 1600 watt temperature, a removable 0.9 liter water tank and a cup warmer. The grinder comes with 120 grams hopper capacity, which is just right here. Then we have a ground coffee container. Then we can change the settings for the grinder really easily. So we have a medium, coarse and fine as well. Okay, so for this video I decided to choose a mild cheerfully Colombian, which is 100% Arabica coffee beans, freshly roasted Monday to Friday. So I will start to show you step by step. It's really easy, just a couple of minutes of your time. Okay, so open your coffee beans, take off the lid, then adding the coffee beans into my hopper. Okay, so just make sure it's on a fine grinding size, then press the button. So for now we will grind only for 2 cups of coffees. So we finished to grind our fresh coffee. You can use the standard scoop which comes with a coffee machine, or if not you can use a teaspoon. I will use a teaspoon because it's much easier than to use instead of using the big scoop. Okay, I will fill up my basket with ground coffee. Okay, tamp hard as you can with the tamper. And make sure you don't have any coffee particles on the side of the basket. Lock the group handle into the coffee machine and place a cup under. Okay. Standard settings for the coffee machine based for this button on a 25 seconds extraction time, or the other one is a 30-second extraction time. So if you want a shorter extraction time, then you can use this one, or if you want a longer, then you can use the other button. Okay, now I'm gonna preheat my steamer. Okay. Until then I will fill up my milk jug with milk. So add enough milk just under the spout. Once the steam arm stops flushing, then I will turn this knob towards the steam. The steam arm is just on the surface at the beginning, so I'm trying to add as much air to have a nice texture. Steamer is quite powerful. I was quite surprised how good is this machine for a budget home range equipment. It takes a little bit more time than in espresso or coffee shops. once you reach the desired temperature, you can stop the steamer. Okay, wipe the steamer. And enjoy your lovely coffee. Thank you for watching my video.